Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale from your PC. First, you'll need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. Popular options include BlueStacks and Nox Player, both offering excellent performance. Before downloading, check that your PC has at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor to ensure a smooth gaming experience. This setup allows you to enjoy Clash Royale on a larger screen with keyboard and mouse controls. Once you've chosen an emulator, navigate to its official website and download the installer file. The installation process is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts, accepting the terms and conditions. After installation, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you'll download Clash Royale. It's just like setting up a new Android phone, but on your computer. With your Google account linked, open the Google Play Store inside the emulator. Use the search bar at the top to find Clash Royale. Once you locate the game, click the Install button. The download size is typically around 100 megabytes, so it should complete quickly depending on your internet speed. After installation, the game icon will appear on your emulator's home screen, ready for you to launch and play. To enhance your Clash Royale experience, dive into the emulator settings. You can allocate more RAM or CPU cores for smoother gameplay, often up to 8 GB of RAM for high-end systems. Customize keyboard controls to your preference, mapping actions like deploying troops to specific keys. For an even better experience, consider connecting a gamepad. Many emulators offer native support, providing a console-like feel for your battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.